Hey guys, welcome back to Unstoppable Trading. In this video, I'm going to briefly talk about how to identify support and resistance and how do you trade futures using a very easy indicator. So let's just look at E-mini futures in Thinkorswim is /ES. This tracks of the S&P 500 index when opens. So let's just look back on Friday. And when you trade futures, I recommend you to do 1 minute because you can easily scalp in and scalp out, and you can have unlimited day trading futures. You can either do contracts or ES options. So as you remember, on Friday afternoon, Trump was talking and we have a huge dip, and then we rip all the way back up. This is 1 day, 1 minute, and then this happened within 10 minutes. So when that happens, this was the previous level I was looking at, the 30.15. Why? Because if you look at where my mouth is, my pointer's at. Let me go to start here. My pointer's at. If you look right here, right? Where is it? Yeah, right here. If you look right here, we see the prices occur the most. So therefore I drew a line like here. And then we're looking at when the price ripped to the upside, where do they fall the most and where do they stop the top? So then I have a support and I have a resistance. This takes practice. You look at it, you eye it, and then you just know, okay, this occurs the most, I draw a line, that occurs the most, I draw a line. And look at the current situation, right? We stuck in here, we broke out, and now we're bouncing right in here. Isn't that so pretty? Like it's like bouncing right on this line. So the previous resistance acted as a support. So once you break a resistance and it falls back, the resistance becomes support. Once you broke below the support, you're trying to go back, that becomes the resistance. Anyhow, let me just draw a resistance right now on ES. So of course, the top 30.058 is a resistance because that is the previous high. But we're not going to look that far yet. We're going to look right here. So where does the price occur the most? We can see, we're looking at 30.046, 47. It doesn't have to be accurate, but just looking at the prices, I think here would be a great support around 30.4725. And of course, if we break that, we have this right here. It did not occur the most, but when we look at a previous high, this will be the one to pick from. So if we see now we've broken the support, what's next? The next one we'll be looking at back into the range, of course. But if you want to draw another support within this range, I will pick right here. Well, perfectly. I see there's a bounce off, that little bounce off right here, because if you look right here, this was the previous high, 30.035. So where do we bounce off? In this candle, 30.035, 36.35. So that's pretty interesting. So futures, I use the MACD, the PPS, and PMC. This is on TD Ameritrade. You can just go Add Studies, go to John Person's indicator, and try to play around with it. They have, the signal tells you, oh, this is going up, it's going down. They're not 100% accurate, but they are better than 50%. So if you trade it on this candle, the down candle, you can just enter right here and exit your short when it consolidates. And you have this candle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. You can make money in 6 minutes. But if you see right here, it's not too accurate because it only went down a couple points. So this is one cool indicator that's nice to have. That's it for the video. I expect Tesla to go up tomorrow, and I expect ES to, everything depending on the news headline tomorrow, and see how it tastes, like how we digest the news and see where we go, and see now we're back into the support. Interesting things, right? Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.